Hey there! So let's talk about a common problem that many developers face when trying to push multiple projects within a single solution to Azure DevOps. Our friend Andy reached out with this issue, where he was trying to push 3 projects: My Project API, My Project Tests, and My Project Web, but only the API project was getting pushed. Quite the pickle, right? Now, let's delve into the solution to Andy's problem. To address this issue, you'll need to navigate to the solution location, delete the .git folder, and initialize a new Git repository in the common parent directory containing all project directories. Once done, add and commit all files, delete the existing repo on Azure DevOps, create a new repository, and push the files using the commands provided. This should ensure that all your projects are successfully pushed to Azure DevOps. In summary, by following the steps outlined, you should be able to resolve the issue of only one project getting pushed to Azure DevOps while attempting to push multiple projects within a solution. Remember, a little Git magic can go a long way in solving these pesky problems. So, give it a try and watch those projects make their way to Azure DevOps seamlessly. And with that, happy coding, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Catch you later, fellow developers.